Today I'm going to show you what is inside a Samsung battery, Huawei battery and an iPhone battery. Which of these three batteries is more inflammable and what are they made up of? So stay tuned and don't change that dial. So I unwrapped these three batteries in order to see what is actually inside these batteries. And these batteries are made up of lithium ion, which is very dangerous when exposed to your hand. I took a big risk by using my bare hand to unwrap these batteries, which is actually not advisable. While unwrapping these batteries, one of them almost caught fire in my hand, so I had to stop. I'm going to be showing you which of the battery almost caught fire while I was unwrapping it and which of these three batteries are highly flammable. The cells of these three batteries are made up of lithium ion, which is very dangerous when exposed to the human body or your hands, and the smell alone is very bad for you as a human to inhale. So I'm going to be unwrapping every of these three batteries, which is Samsung, iPhone and Huawei battery, and at the end I'm going to show you which of the battery almost caught fire while I was unwrapping them. So thank you for watching and stay tuned.
iPhone battery. Samsung battery. Huawei battery.
I had to stop because it was beginning to react. Huawei batteries are highly flammable. You can see its reaction over here. It's already getting burnt. Huawei batteries are not like the Samsung and iPhone battery. is highly flammable. This is it. It's really getting hot. Oh, this is crazy. From the video, which of the battery do you think is highly flammable? Leave a comment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.